there guys, it's Tina and I am back, and today you're getting 2 for the price of 1 because I have 2 BOXYCHARM boxes to unbox with you today because it's March and I missed February and January. So here we are, and we're not going to discuss because it's okay. We're fine because this way you guys probably already got your boxes and we can just kind of talk about the products together because you've tried them out too, right? Right? You see, like, it's not, oh, sneak peek, look what's coming. It's more like, yo, what'd you get in your box? And let's talk about what I got in my box. And I've had a chance to actually test some of these products out. So we're good. So we're just gonna get right into it. As usual, I should mention that these are sent to me by BOXYCHARM. I am a part of their PR program now, which is actually kind of fun because I started my subscription by myself out of my own pocket because I was interested in the service myself. So I got to experience it as a consumer and now as a PR ambassador, which doesn't mean I get special boxes. It just means I get it earlier and I don't have to pay for it. So there's that. So my recommendation, if you want to try out the service, try it out for like a couple of months before you fully commit to like a 6-month subscription to make sure you really like the service. I personally do like the service, and while there are a few disappointing boxes or a few disappointing items, overall, I think you get great value for your money because, like I said, you're getting deluxe to full-size products and it's $21, and most of these products are valued at more than that $21 price. So let's just jump into the January box because we've already yapped too much. So for the January box, I wasn't really enthused, which is why I kind of put off doing the video because I was like, I'm not like in love totally with what's going on. So the first thing I got was the Briogeo Rosarco Milk Reparative Leave-In Conditioning Spray. This is 2 ounces and it retails for $12. It says effectively restore your hair's softness, manageability, moisture, and shine with Briogeo's Rosarco Milk Spray. It's infused with the signature blend of ultra nourishing rosehip, argan, and coconut oils, and this spray works to detangle wet hair and protects against heat while locking in moisture, restoring luster, and diminishing frizz. I don't like this at all. In fact, I don't really like Briogeo's products, to be honest. For my hair, my texture, it just doesn't work at all, and I feel like it almost dries my hair out more. It makes my hair feel like straight straw, and my hair is color treated. It's more like, what would you call my hair texture? Am I like a 2C or like a 3A? I don't know, like I have a loose waves. Sometimes I'll have like a little spiral, but nothing curly. What hair type am I? Either way, I wear my hair curly. Sometimes I wear it straight, and this just makes my hair feel like straight straw. So I don't like it, but I'm going to use it up because what I do is I will spray it in my hair if I'm wearing it curly as a leave-in conditioner, but I'll add my leave-in conditioner. So it's just my way of using it up, but I really don't like this at all. It doesn't feel good in my hair. And I know people go crazy over Briogeo. I am not one of those people. I'm so sorry. So I was not enthused about that. The next thing we have is the OFRA Longwear Liquid Lipstick. This matte liquid lipstick delivers long-lasting color that perfectly outlines and fills in the lips. So this retails for $20, and the shade I got was Havana Nights, which I think is the collaboration with Kathleen Lights. Yes, actually. It's one of her shades that she did with them, and I actually own this in the old formulation, so the old tube packaging. They've since changed their packaging, which I don't even think is much of an upgrade. Now it has this wide cap and it's more of a rectangle tube rather than a circular tube, and it still doesn't read as luxury for me. And $20 on this, I'm just like, oh, for really? And they used to have those 30% off coupons, which is when I bought their products, 30% off or 40% off, which would knock this price way down from the $20. So I never paid full price for these, and I really don't think they're necessarily worth that full price either because it's cheap packaging. To me, it's not really luxurious. And the formula is decent to good, and it varies depending on the shade, which is tricky for me. I don't like that. I need something that's either consistently bad or consistently good, because then I can be like, all right, I can just recommend this brand or just completely write them off. For me, some of the shades are more moussey, some are more liquidy, some are more sheer, some are more like full coverage. So I never know what I'm gonna get. With this particular shade, I'm wearing it right now, and I love this shade, and I loved how this applied. It's more of a moussey formula, but it still allowed me to get a crisp line. So the applicator is a small doe foot, right? And I don't know, it allowed me to get precision with this darker color, which I need, and it wasn't too liquidy or runny where it was seeping into lines, or, you know, Lord Jesus, it's a transfer all over, which it is not transfer proof. Hold up, does it say it's transfer proof? It better not. Okay, so it says it's stay put all day with minimal transfer. Okay, because I was about to like call y'all out. There is transfer. If you touch your lips, it's gonna transfer, but that means it's a little bit more comfortable to wear because it doesn't fully dry down and like suck the life out of your lips. So I actually really like this color, and I really like the formula for this one. So I was happy with this, and I will be wearing it. I've worn it 3 times. Look under 3 times so far, and I'm gonna keep wearing it because I do really like this color, and it matches my hair. So it's, yeah, I was happy with that part. Then we have the Rainforest of the Sea. This is a highlighting eyeshadow palette, volume 3 from Tarte. This is another disappointing product for me. I think this is my 3rd palette from Tarte in a BOXYCHARM box. And just look at this. Obviously, this is just, it's not my jam. Everything here is like a champagne shade. And it's all shimmer except for one shade, which is more of a satin. But everything looks so similar. All these shades look extremely similar on my skin tone. They all look champagne. There's not much dimension, and I'm just like, okay, it's okay, but it's not like, it's not that great at all. And this retails for $36. Now it says, dive into this vegan crease-free eyeshadow palette that features 7 highly reflective plush micro shimmers and 1 matte nude that serves as the perfect transition shade. At the end of the day, for me, this ends up being just like a highlighter shade. I can pop these on the inner corner. They're pretty. I'm not saying they're not pretty, but like there is not enough in this palette for me to go, oh my god, this is great. So this one is okay. I was not like thoroughly enthused, but it's a good value if you like the palette. I just personally didn't care for the palette. The next thing we got were 2 face masks from Tatcha, which everybody was going crazy about when they did the preview of this box. Everybody was like, oh, something from Tatcha is coming. As you can see, I haven't used any of these. This is from normal to dry skin, and these are the Luminous Dewy skin masks. I have oily skin, so when it says luminous and dewy, it is not exactly the thing that I go for. And this says nourish your skin from within with this lightweight blend of rice, germ oil, vitamin E, essential fatty acids, and highly concentrated botanical oils and extracts. So this retails, each of them or both of them? Oh, it's a 2-pack, $24. I hope it's for the 2-pack because that is a lot. Now, if you're into sheet masks, these may be great for you, and Tatcha is a well-known skincare brand, and it's Japanese beauty, and I might use these as a nighttime mask, but they definitely won't be used in the day at all. But I have like my little stash of face masks, and I've gotten a few from BOXYCHARM. So I'll put this in the stash, but like they're not my go-to kind of situation, but you know, we'll make it work. We will go through it. Then the last thing they have is this Starlooks Luxe Longwear eye pencil. So this retails for $19, and it is just a black twist up eyeliner pencil. And it's okay. It's a beautiful black. I haven't tried this out yet because it's just a black eyeliner pencil, and I really wish they would stop just giving us these pencils. But I mean, I guess I can see how they're beneficial, but we've gotten black eyeliner pencils in a few boxes, so how many black eyeliner pencils do we really need? So out of this box, I was really happy with the liquid lipstick, and that was about it. So here we are. This is why I wasn't enthused about the January box. Oh, and the theme of this box said boxy and chill, which it is cold outside, so if you want a boxy and chill, fine. But I'm sure people will also enjoy the Tatcha face mask, which were the things that they really raved about for this box. This was not a box that I was necessarily like really excited about. Then we move on to February, and February kind of made up for January, but I was traveling, so I wasn't able to do the unboxing, but we're gonna do it now. So the theme for this is Afterglow, which, all right, let's get on to it. There are 5 full-size products in this box, and there was some controversy about the very first product in the box. This is the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. This retails for $24. I thought it was $23. The price increase? Oh no. So this says, indulge in a mascara that actually lives up to its name. That is a lie. No. Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara separates, coats, and curls each lash to voluptuous perfection. Excuse me. Anyway, this is my favorite mascara, hands down. I don't care. Every single mascara that I've tried, I compare it to this mascara because this is my ultimate. I've had problems with this though, flaking on me, and I didn't have a problem like initially, but then as time went on, I started getting flaking, and I'm like, can we, hello, I have a question, can we not? But the controversy was that these are older batches of Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. People were comparing it to the new packaging, and they were like, oh, this looks different. It feels lighter, and it does feel lighter. This is the original, like, that I bought from Too Faced, and this feels a little bit lighter. So people were saying it was a knockoff version, which, to be fair, I don't mind if it was a knockoff. The problem is if it's an old batch, but then again, if it wasn't opened, then it shouldn't be an issue. And mine doesn't smell funny at all, and it has the same wand, and I'm just hoping that it performs the same way. If it wasn't closed and it's not contaminated, then I'm not worried about the age of this. The performance might be a little bit less or whatever, but I don't think it's gonna give you an eye infection, but I may be completely wrong. Don't take my word for it. I'm just happy that it was Too Faced Better Than Sex. And if it wasn't for like the batch code and the whole controversy, I think we would have been fine. So I'm gonna take it with a grain of salt and enjoy my Too Faced Better Than Sex, because that means I have a backup now. So I was happy with this because, again, favorite mascara. Next we got the Pretty Vulgar Shimmering Swan highlighter. This says, allow your skin to capture the light of any room you walk into with this unique velvety smooth highlighter. Okay, this retails for $32, and it's from Pretty Vulgar, which Pretty Vulgar made a splash on the scene because of their packaging. Like, it was different. It's bird theme. It was beautiful. But then they kind of died out because no one was checking for them. This is a champagne highlighter. It would not be my personal preference for a highlighter for my skin. It's, to me, just a regular highlighter. There's nothing really ultra special about this. You probably have something similar in your collection. It's okay, and if you have a large collection, this is probably something that you're like, okay, that's cute. But if you don't and you like light champagne highlighters, it's cute. It's not bad at all. It's just, it's not something I would wear personally because it's a little bit too ashy, silvery on my skin. But it blends out really nice. Like, you can blend it out so it looks seamless on the skin. There's no like chunky glitter or anything. And I don't think it emphasizes texture too much. But it's just, the shade is not my perfect shade. And this says it's shade 41 Glimmers of BS. So I don't know if there were other shades included in other boxes. Let me know. But this one, just not my thing. I wasn't thrilled about that one. Next we have the Touch in Soul No Poreblem Primer, which is cute. It's a play on words, like no problem. Yeah. It says, create a seamless canvas for your foundation with our new Touch in Soul No Poreblem Primer. This light, silky texture blurs pores and wrinkles, giving your skin a soft velvet feel. There's green tea and collagen in here, so it's going to hold on to your makeup for many hours. Okay, retails for $18. Oh, that's a good price, actually. So I didn't necessarily feel like it blurred my pores or filled them in. It's not like a pore fill-in primer. But it did smooth my skin out. Not to the point where I was like poreless and oh my god. But it did look pretty nice on my skin. And it didn't feel like silicone-y, and it didn't pill on me or anything. It just felt nice. And it didn't add any like greasy feel to my skin, which I don't like in a primer. I actually really did like this. I didn't find that it extended the wear of my makeup necessarily, but it didn't make it worse, and it did help it to look like nicer. I don't know, like it felt nice on my skin. It looked nice. It's not like something I would phone home about, like it's not a miracle product, but it was pretty nice. So I actually really did like this as well. Then we have the Farmacy Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser. This retails for $22. I think this is a deluxe size or a travel size. This is 3.4 fluid ounces. The full size is 5 fluid ounces. So this is my full size of this cleanser. And I really was excited about this because I really like this cleanser. I like this cleanser so much. I've heard mixed reviews about this. I enjoy it. I do an oil cleanser to remove my makeup, and then I use this as my second step cleanse in the shower, and I love it. It makes my skin feel really great. It smells great. It smells like honey, and it cleans my skin really well. So I personally like it. I don't think it's a makeup remover at all, but it does, I don't know, it doesn't dry out my skin. It feels comfortable. I don't need a lot. It doesn't like get too foamy or too like squeaky clean. You know how you can leave your skin feeling like tight? This doesn't do that. I actually really like this. And what I like is that it's 3.4 ounces, which means it's a travel size for me. I can toss this in my hand luggage, which I actually did. But I did also pack my Drunk Elephant cleanser that I got for my birthday gift from Sephora. So I didn't end up having to use this, but this is perfect. I am gonna put this in my travel set, like things that I can travel with. I was absolutely thrilled for this because I personally love that cleanser. Like I said, I remove my makeup first and then I use that as a second cleanse. So I was happy to see that. Then the last thing for this box is the Trestique Prime and Glaze Lip Crayon. This is a 2-in-1 lip duo. It features a luxurious lip smoothing primer on one side and then a shiny color glaze on the other. So this retails for $25, and I could take or leave this. It's cute packaging. It looks like a pencil crayon. It's a cute color. It has the primer on one side, which is a nice primer. It actually feels good on the lips. And then the color side is like a berry tone, but it's not like a full-on pigmented lip color. It's gonna give you more of that bitten look to your lips. So like that popsicle look, which I actually like quite a lot. So I'm gonna use it in that way to give me the popsicle lips, but with my popsicle lips, I prefer it to look more like a watermelon juicy lip rather than like a berry. But I mean, this is not a bad product, and if you're just looking for like a lightweight lip color, I think this is actually pretty nice. So out of this box, I really liked 3 of the items: the Too Faced Better Than Sex, my Green Clean Cleanser, and the No Poreblem Primer. So these 3 products really made me happy. The highlighter I could do without, and the lip product, even though it's nice, I could do without it too. So overall, I was very happy with this box. The value of just a couple of these products. So this is $22 by itself. This alone was worth the price of the box for me. And then I got the mascara, again, worth more than the price of the box. This is the only thing that's kind of not, just a little less than the price of the overall box. So those are the products we got. And I am happy with the February box. I am not as happy with the January box, even though there were a couple of products in there that still made it kind of worth it, because the lip color and the face mask I feel like were still worth it to me. So let me know what you guys got in your boxes. Let me know if you got like similar things, the same thing, and what you think of the products, and what products were the standout ones for you and what ones you are really excited about. So yeah, that's all I got for this video. Like I said, it's a 2-for-1 special because it's 2 boxes in one. So again, I will leave like my link below, as well as the details on all the products included in these boxes, along with links on my Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat, where you should definitely be following me along. I always get the order confused, but you see it: Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat. Follow me along there, and until my next video, which will be very soon, I'll talk to you. Bye, guys.